Alright, so this is 4o Chat GP, and then I basically one-shotted tic-tac-toe, and then I decided that I wanted to play against the computer, so it made it play against the computer. It made a computer thing that I could play against. It's 150 lines, well, 149. And then you move that into Pycharm. Pygames already installed, and click play. If you don't know how to play the game, it's just you make a line, and then it makes a line, then I make a line, and then I make another line, and then to close out the box, really all you have to do is draw a line, and that becomes your box. You win that box or whatever. But instead of making a line, I told it that I want to just click the center to make it because it's easier. I mean, it's really the same motion. And whoever has the most boxes wins by the end of it. It's not a very smart app, so you're gonna beat it. It doesn't really know, it doesn't keep track of where the boxes can be made. Okay, I won. It did win last time, like one box, but okay, so that's how you play the game, that's how it works. And you can play against a computer, which doesn't have AI or anything. I'm gonna put this in the description, or at least it'll be on a Dropbox somewhere, so you don't have to code all this yourself if you don't have AI. Everyone should have it by now, but DeepSeek is free, so as long as you got internet.